Bubbles at the cat and the baby at the same time. Value! You have to be the other direction. He's more enamored with the cat than the bubbles. Romeo likes the bubbles, personally. Romeo, they're over here. Romeo. Chicho. Get him. Get him, Cheech. Get those bubbles. Get him. Oh, darn it. I gotta keep up with them. Oh, there's one, Chicho. Get it. I'm so slow, huh? Don't get the baby. Just get the bubbles. Yeah. Rah, rah, rah. Oh, look at your little pink belly. Oh. Oh. Here's one more. Oh, yeah. Jump and get it. Oh, gosh darn it. We're running out. There we go. Yeah, get him, Cheech. That's fun, huh? Yeah. Baby and kitty fun time.